Hi guys, today we want to show you how easy it is to inflate a tire. First off, you want to open your front door and you will see that there's this yellow sticker, and we are focusing on the front tire. So it needs to be 70 psi, which if you did not know, psi is short for pressure. And now you want to get the inflator. Then you put it right here, and then now we press function, and then it probably will say random numbers at first, but when you let go, it's gonna say a different number. See now, it's at 65. I bet in 5 seconds, it's gonna say 70. So as you see, it reached 70. So now we get that out, and then that's gonna be all for the video. Please like and subscribe. So bye bye.